Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2012 Nissan Juke with some great exterior features that include 17-inch wheels and a hood deflector. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got gray and red cloth interior. This Juke also comes equipped with all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you have your cruise. This Juke comes with 153,000 kilometers. Down below on the left side here you have your power mirror adjustments. You also have your traction control button and the option to switch between two-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. Over in the middle you've got your AM/FM radio. You also have an auxiliary outlet. Right below that you've got your climate controls. And down in front of our gear shifter here you have your outlets. Taking a look at the back seats, you have a storage compartment on the back of your center console. You also have a storage pouch in the passenger seat back. The back of this Juke comes with a ton of storage space with the rear seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the rear seats easily fold down. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2012 Nissan Juke with some great interior features that include cruise control, all-weather floor mats, and hands-free calling. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.